It's important to download the MyMazda app, as this is where you can check when it has been 12 months or 12,500 miles and a service will now be due. If more miles are completed within a 12-month period, any Mazda dealership will be more than happy to assist with any interim service requirements. The MyMazda app also allows access to the Mazda Roadside Assistance Programme to request support should the need arise. We can also reach out to you with important information if needed. Although there's not much to check on an electric vehicle, you can still check the essentials like tyres, lights and screen wash as required. For ease, you can see the tyre pressures within the instrument cluster by pressing the info button on the steering wheel. A warning message will also display if there's a concern with any of the lights. It's always good practice to have a visual inspection of your vehicle before any long journey. Swipe across to open the control centre, set lights to dipped and press the hazard switch. A quick walk around the car will then confirm all lights are working as they should.